Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial how to create tabs on your product page. Let's say I want to create 2 tabs on my product page. So let's choose a copy which will be as a title for that tab. Select it, click on A formatting and click heading 5. And after that, let's scroll down and let's say that this one will be another tab. So I selected it, clicked A, clicked heading 5 and clicked save. And so if I go now to my product page preview, you'll see that I have Loretta's tips and key info already there. Okay, so we just created standard tabs within your product page, but sometimes and most often you will need to use static tabs because it is way much more faster to do. So for example, you need to add shipping tab inside all your collections. So what you have to do, you just have to click add tab, name it shipping, choose collections where you want to appear it, choose text, write your copy here and click save. That's it. So basically that tab automatically will appear in all collections you choose. Okay, and the last thing I would like to mention is that if you decide to remove our app, make sure that you deactivated it first. Why? Because by clicking button deactivate, we will remove code automatically from your template and you won't have any problems afterwards. Good luck guys.